Okay, so we're just revisiting our learning from yesterday first of all. So we've got our pond here. So how can we think about the area of that pond? What can we do first? What do we have to look at?
You would need to count how many whole squares there are, and then with the squares that aren't quite fully coloured in green, you'd have to get two of the squares and put them together to make another square.
Yeah, absolutely. So think of them as like a fraction and putting those little bits together. So let's take a look at this. Everyone counting as I draw my whole squares. Off we go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13. I'm going to call that one a whole one. 14. Okay, now I'm going to put those two together. That's 15. Those two together. 16. Those two together. 17. Those two. 18. Those two. 19. Those two. 20. Those little bits might equate to one more. So I think the area is
21
meters.
21 metres squared. If they are, actually, it doesn't tell us, does it? So if it was metres, it would be metres squared. Well done, absolutely. Okay, approximate, remember, reminds me, is thereabouts. Okay, so for your follow-up task just to revise today, go over what you're learning, you've got a problem. We've got a lady who's making some creative studio design labels, and she's making them in the pictures of nature. So she's got some fruit and vegetables and leaves. So she's looking at these fruits labels. What you've got to try and look at the holes first. She's thought about all the holes, and she's made a sort of a rectangle area first, and then the little bits all the way around the outside. So she's calculated the area in the rectangle first, and then the parts, like the half squares around the outside. So you could do that first if you wish, or you could just go through, remember, dotting as you're counting your holes first, and then putting the other ones around the fruit. So I'd like you to have a go at that first, and then I'll see you back for the next video. Thank you.